Do you want to earn money just from playing an online game? If I had earned money during all the time I spent playing video games, oh man, I'd be a billionaire right now. But this game, Axie Infinity, actually is built around users earning tokens in the form of SLP token just while playing the game, which then you can sell for money on Uniswap. And there is a huge global community behind this game, all playing and earning tokens daily. How does this game work? How much can you earn? And how do you get started on making money? Welcome back to Crypto Trends, where we cover the latest crypto news to make you more money. If you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto news, subscribe to the channel where we are constantly making new videos. Okay, so this token, AXS, Axie Infinity, is trending hard on CoinMarketCap, along with this utility token, Small Love Potion, SLP. So let's take a look. As of now, SLP is number 6, and AXS is number 7. And they've both gone up in price a lot this past week, especially AXS, wow, it's doubled. So before we go to the website, let's take a look at their basic summary of both tokens so you can get an idea of what's behind them. So let's take a look at AXS first. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based trading game and battling game that's partially owned and operated by its players. So similar to a lot of other games right now where you can earn tokens and you kind of like have monsters or anything that quantifies as an NFT, and then you can battle them or trade them or breed them and you get more tokens and other creatures. And in a way it's similar, but in a big way it's very different because unlike a lot of NFT-based games right now, this one has totally caught on in the global market and there's tons and tons of people playing this right now. And also what makes this different is there's 25 people behind this company, which a lot of the games are way smaller teams. This one has 25 people and they started 3 years ago, and you could tell they mean business because of how much this game has grown over the past year. And let's take a look at their Small Love Potion, which is the utility token behind the game. And so SLP tokens are earned by playing the Axie Infinity game. The digital asset reserve serves as a replacement for experience points. Okay, and so it describes more here, but basically you can get the tokens by either breeding animals. You could also fight in adventure or arena mode, which are just 2 modes in the game, and you can earn tokens after each battle you win. And you can also do small daily tasks to earn tokens as well. Okay, so let's get to the fun part of the game itself. How does the game work? How can you actually earn money and how much money? So let's first cover how does the actual game work. And so you need an Axie creature to be able to play the game, and you actually need 3 of them to be able to battle. And so let's take a look at their NFT marketplace here, which is very well done, by the way, the UI and the functionality. And you can see the prices here. This is sorted by lowest price, but they were not this expensive before. They were maybe like $45 or something. They were really cheap, especially in the fall. But they've gone up in price a lot because obviously the amount of people playing this game has gone up a ton. So right now there's 3,000 right now, and you can see here the lowest one is about $200 USD. And so let's take a look at the latest just to get a feel of how much they cost in general. As you can see here, they pretty much trade between $300 to maybe $800. Obviously, there's rarer ones. People buy them, specific colors or the breed functionality or the unique attributes. The same things in any NFT. But just to play the game, you just need 3 of them. And so you can just sort by lowest price and pick up 3 of them right here. Okay, so once you pick up your Axies, you can actually go over to the game itself, which you can play on desktop or iOS/Android, and then start playing. So there's 2 ways to earn: adventure mode and arena mode within the game. And then you also get SLP for doing daily tasks like check-ins. And so you can see here a little bit of the battling. But it's a very fun game to play. I've been playing for the last week, and I really enjoy it. You're not going to get rich off the game playing the game directly. I think if you play a ton, you can earn $10 to $20 a day still, though, right now. But the other thing to note is that as the number of players/holders continues to grow and AXS hits mainstream, your SLP and AXS tokens could then go 2 to 5x in the midterm or even more. So if you earn $10 a day in tokens and it goes up by 5x in the future, well, you technically earned $50. And that's how a lot of the kind of the crypto platforms work, where even like if you've heard of helium mining, people who were mining it early in the day were making not very much money in US dollars, but then the token skyrocketed and whatever they had 10 to 20x in tokens. But of course, this doesn't mean it's going to happen. If Axie Infinity hits the peak of players and people stop buying as many Axies, or they start dumping SLP token, then the token price will go down. So anything in crypto is obviously a risk. It comes down to whether you believe that the platform will continue growing. And so the next thing I want to cover is the Axie Infinity Twitter here, because they have a huge Twitter page. And so they have 132,000 followers, which is just crazy. What I like is that they say we bring economic freedom to gamers. They're putting their value prop of the money-making part of it right in the description, because a lot of people actually play this game to make money. That's, if you just read online, and I'll show some articles, the money-making part of it is a big feature of this game. And so you can see here, they're also extremely active. The number of comments and likes on posts is crazy. Just tons and tons of people talking about this game all the time here, making memes, making updates. They were talking about the NFT marketplace. 320,000 people are daily on this game, which is just nuts. They put a little more update here, 150 million monthly volume. Talk about the price floors for things. So the price of the NFTs, not just the Axies, but other random things in the game, keep going up, which is great. The token keeps going up. You can see here on the charts, it's gone up obviously a lot since even just early spring. But I think it'll continue to go up as more and more people play this game and it becomes even more mainstream. They also have extremely active Reddit here as well, which you can check out. So the team behind it is just very professional. They know how to build a community and a social aspect, which I think helps to think that this project is going to keep growing in price. So that's it for today's episode. Do you play Axie Infinity? What do you think about the game? Are you going to start playing soon? I'm a big fan. I really like it. I think the concept's awesome. I like the game, and I like also the team behind it. But this has been out for a while. I don't know how much more growth it's going to have. We'll see how it actually continues to move in the future. But let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for checking in on another episode. I hope you enjoyed this news and research, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel to get alerted when breaking news comes out, and I will see you in the next episode.